just update for today. This is what happened here in my place in Katmon, Cebu, because of that earthquake. 6 point. Unsa kay to? 6.9 magnitude. This is what happened. My house. I can show you guys. This is what happened, guys. Look. It's very dangerous. Also to show this also in the wall because of that earthquake. This is what happened, guys. Also here, behind of my house.
Video me, the victim of earthquake.
Oh, look. This is what happened. It's really dangerous. English ta kaya nga to bang mga followers kay mga USE. Here, look guys, look. Can you see that? Because of that earthquake. And this is what happened. So very we're really panic. So much panic, guys. They say that don't panic, but we can't panic. We cannot just control our panic.
Sikor kay. Ang lali kasi pagod kasi duha. Yaw kayo. Sige, magsige magtanaw sila ang video ah. Na mga video do video dito ha. Wala na dito. Pero paano ko?